Let's make the best carnivore smash burger you've ever had.
We're going to start by making our carnivore bun. These are soft and have a great crumb texture, and they're really tasty on their own. Skip the cloud bread recipe and forget the pork panko. These are the best ones I've made yet. I've lost 62 pounds so far by keeping the majority of my meals strictly carnivore. Meat, butter, eggs, and salt are the foundation of my diet. But every now and then, I like to find ways to spice things up a little without completely going off the rails. This dough is going to be a little sticky, so it's best to wet your hands before shaping it. These are going to bake in a 350-degree oven for 18 minutes till golden brown and delicious. I'm removing them from the pan and letting them cool before slicing. These slice really easily, and they really do have a nice, airy texture. I'm using 75-25 ground beef. This blend is the king of smash burgers. Super juicy, tons of flavor, and the fat helps build that insane crispy crust. Keep it to 3 to 4 ounce portions and don't overwork the beef. You want it to spread and create that signature smash burger texture. I'm not adding any oil. I want the beef to stick at first because that's what helps build that crust. Smash it, season it, and let it cook 90% of the way before flipping. When you do go to flip it, scrape carefully around the edges so you don't lose that beautiful crust you just worked for. Now you can slap on your favorite cheese. I'm topping these with sharp cheddar. Time to toast your buns too. Okay, now we can build this bad boy. Lay your smash burger patties on those beautifully toasted buns. Let's slice it in half and see what we have. This seriously turned out so juicy and delicious. It was exactly what I was craving.